just in the park having my afternoon walk, and I want to show you something that will create you a passive income, and you can get started even if you've got no money whatsoever. I know that sounds a bold statement, but I want to show you how to make money if you've got no money. And also in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with some money that you might already have, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into your advantage. Let's get stuck in. So what I wanted to show you was Jonny Blockchain. Now, Jonny Blockchain is a trading robot that trades with either centralized exchanges or decentralized. All the time, you've got your money in your control. They stay inside your wallets, either inside an exchange or inside your MetaMask wallet. Now, I want to show you some of the users' daily ROIs. So when I'm on Jonny Blockchain, if I head over to the dashboard, it brings me here, and if I go to the trends screen, so I've got the different exchanges at the top. I've got PancakeSwap, I've got GridBots, I've got Aerodrome on Base, and I've also got my trends. So I'm going to look at this token and its form. So for this one, if you look over on the right-hand side of the screen here, there's 78 bots that users have set up that are trading form. You've got the 24-hour ROI, you've got 7 days, 30 days, and then you've got for the last 12 months. Now, if we take this ROI here, this 308%, that's not for one bot, that's for collectively for 78 bots. So if I get my calculator and I put that 308.58, which is the percentage, and then I divide that by all the bots that are trading, there's 78 of them, that's saying the average ROI is 3.95%. But who likes averages? Let's dive into a little bit deeper than this overall average. I don't think that gives you the true ROI. So let's go and dive into this a bit more deeper. So I'm on this screen, which is what the admin have of the website, because I'm the CEO. And we've got the ROI for the last 24 hours. Look, it's the 16th of June. It's the 17th of June now. So it's gone back 24 hours. And it's around 10 o'clock in the morning at the time of making this video. So let's look at the ROIs here. So this user here has got 93% in the last 24 hours. And if I go down, this one's got 76% in the last 24 hours. Look, 29%. So as you could see, this top bot, which is the last 24 hours, is for form. It's got an ROI of 93%. Let's see if we can find the lowest one for the form. Yeah, there you go. The lowest bot for form has got a 0.76%. Still an amazing ROI. Now, there's many factors that could be in play here to say why one bot's got 0.76% and another bot has got 93.15%. Well, obviously, it's on when they set their bot up, how much they're trading with, and so on. So let's go and have a look at this guy here, this bot here, where it says it got 93.15% in the last 24 hours. And if I click on that, search for his form bots, you could see here that this bot has got 1,698% since the bot was set up. And it was sent up on the 12th of February, 2025. Obviously now we're in June 2025. It's earned $169.77, and this guy is only trading with $10 lots. So if we go into the bot settings here, the activity, we can see when the bot was set up, look, he's trading with $10. And if we go all the way down, because there's a lot of stuff that's these are all the trades. Look, they're all in green. I'm just speeding through them. I'm going to drag this all the way down the bottom, go down. So we could see, look, the 17th of June, which is today, there's a buy and a sell gone on. There's a 17th of June, it's did some buys, then it's done some sells. Look, 0.2. 17th of June did a buy and a sell. 17th of June did a buy and a sell. 17th of June did a buy and a sell. This goes on, where the bot's constantly buying and selling as the price of the token changes. So let's have a look at another one. Let's have a look at this one. This one is 19.36. So let's go and have a look at this person's bot. So again, their bot has been running since the 1st of April 25. It's made 310%, which is $155. And let's go into the bot activity. And here we can see all the sales, all the profits down here in green. This is clear profit after trading fees, okay? Down this right-hand side, these numbers that are in green. So if we go all the way down, there's lots of trades that have gone on since this robot's been running. So we can see here by looking at what the bot's done in the last sort of 24 hours, okay? Going up those green trades up the side there. Now, I don't know about you, but of course I want my trading robot to be making me 93% in 24 hours, but I'm also equally happy with my trading robot to make me 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Now, I said at the outset of this video that you could also start using this system even if you've got no money, and that is through our referral program. You can set up a free account, you can advertise Jonny Blockchain business, you can put it out to social media, and if anybody sets up a trading robot and they make a profit, you get a share of the software service fee, because everybody that makes a profit here, they pay a software service fee of 25% of every successful trade. If the trade's not in profit, they get a credit for whatever the bot lost. But if the bot was in profit, they pay 25%. And out of that 25%, you as a free member would earn a commission for everybody that's below you down 4 levels. Okay. Also, when they want to get access to the trading robots, it costs $25 a year to set up as many DEX trading robots, which is decentralized trading robots, as they like. Or if they want to set up centralized, it's $25 a year to set up as many centralized trading robots as they like. And you'll earn a commission from both of those $25. Or if they want both, they're going to pay $50 a year. They can set up unlimited robots. You would get a percentage of that $50 as a commission, and you would earn that as a free user as well. It doesn't matter if you've got any trading robots set up yourself. And that money will be paid directly into your Jonny Blockchain account, and you can withdraw it out to your MetaMask wallet whenever you like. So if you're interested in making a passive income from a trading robot that does exactly what it says on the tin, it does all the heavy lifting for you, or if you don't have the money to set up a trading robot, you can create a free account and you can promote your own affiliate link to bring in other people and earn a commission once they start setting up their trading. Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.